Hi, Jamie Harris here, and welcome to the Mildura Dental Group. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the building here, just to show you some of our beautiful staff and some of the wonderful facilities that are available to you. When you first come in as a first time, you'll be greeted by our concierge. She's a marvellous girl. Anyway, they'll take all your medical details and anything else that we need to organise for you. We'll find out all the special little things that we need to know about you, like how you like your coffee, what sort of music you like. In fact, you can bring your own CD when you come in. Now what we're going to do is just take you from different area to different area, so let's go there right now. And here we are in the client lounge. After you've been greeted by our concierge, you'll come in here, be seated, and she'll probably get your cappuccino with half sugar stirred anti-clockwise, just the way you like it. You can even have your own music on, or bring your own CD or DVD, or watch the TV. There's usually magazines, newspapers, etc. here, and we also have an internet cafe, tea and coffee, and you can use this any time you want to. So, if you're just passing by, feel welcome to come in here, make yourself at home, bring a friend even. You don't even need an appointment to come in here, just make it like your second home. Let's now move on to the next one. And here we are in the nerve centre. This is the central focus of the whole practice. This is where it all happens. Anytime you need to make an appointment, fix an account, find out any information you want to, if you'd like to come and see our lovely receptionists here, they will most certainly look after you. And that's about it. This is our presentation area. We often bring clients out here when we want to show them what needs to be done with their treatment plans. Some it's just a little bit private, so you can discuss things that you don't necessarily want other people to hear. We also handle things like finances here, and we have things like care credit where we can organise your finance, and you can pay things off over up to 4 years if you wish to. And all sorts of things like that are available here, and all you need to do is ask the staff. Now this is our treatment centre. This is where we actually do all the dentistry in here. And we have some absolutely interesting things that happen in here. Some of the things we do are tooth-coloured fillings. And we actually design them inside the computer, which is rather fascinating. And it usually saves about 2 weeks of time, which you'd normally have to wait for laboratory things to be done. And it's all done under one appointment. Over here you can see the actual stirring machine. It's all three-dimensional there. And we can actually design everything inside the computer and then mill it out the back. This part here is the laser, and the laser can often be used without any injections, so it's often needle free, often pain free, and all you hear is a soft little popping noise in the background. Fascinating technology. It's not suitable for everyone, but we will let you know when it is suitable and when we can use it for you. Around here you can also see some of our wonderful staff and some of the other facilities in the room. All our staff are very, very experienced. Deanna, for instance, has been dental nursing for probably 23, 24 years, and she doesn't look a day older than 28. Anyway, we look forward to looking after you. We've got very caring staff, and we'll catch you soon. One of the things we also really highlight in the practice is that everyone is totally informed about anything that's going to be done before we actually do things. So when you come in, we will organise an estimate, get any brochures together that you may need to review or read when you get home, and you actually get a little folder like this, and it will have all your details in there about what's going to happen, how much it's going to cost, how much time it will take, and everything like that. So you're fully informed and educated, and you know what's going to happen. We also use high-tech technology to show exactly what's going to happen on animated screens, so that this A becomes easier to explain to people, and B, you know exactly what's happening, how it's going to happen, and all the different stages that may be involved in that particular treatment plan. For instance, this person here is having a root filling where they're taking the nerve out of the tooth, and we'll seal it up with like a little plastic point through the middle of the tooth. So these are the sorts of things that we use in the practice, and this is what we like to keep people totally informed, and it's a very important part of the practice. And this is our second surgery. As you can see, this is also highly advanced. Things like up the top here, the television, so you can watch your own DVDs or TV while you're having your treatment done. We also place a great emphasis in the practice on continuing education. And as you see over here, these are just some of the different courses that we go to all the time to keep ourselves abreast of the latest and greatest technologies. This is the area where we clean all the instruments in the central sterilising department. We consider infection control in the practice to be of absolute paramount importance for your well-being and also for the well-being of all the staff that work here. So everything undergoes a very rigorous process where everything is totally sterile. So every instrument and piece of equipment that we use for you is being totally sterilised by the time it gets through the surgery side of things. Now this is called an OPG. What a name. You'll notice, however, that all the x-rays that we take here are using digital x-rays. But what's so great about this? Well, the big thing is that all the x-ray equipment that we use here uses 90% less radiation. So the whole practice is really a high-tech practice. From the moment you walk in the front door to the moment you walk out at the end of your treatment, you'll be looked after with the most advanced, technologically advanced equipment available on the market. You'll be looked after by wonderful staff who are very caring and really love having you here. That probably is the thing that you're going to notice the most when you come in here. That all our staff just love being here, and all of them say it's the best job they've ever had.